Nearly nearly 70% of AI projects fail, we discussed in our previous video. The reason is organizations jump directly into technology without preparing for the operations, data, compliance, and people. In this video, go through how we can prepare for the Agentforce, like Agentforce readiness, how we want to do it. I will start with clarifying how Agentforce is different than chatbots or generative AI, which is like ChatGPT. Those are very powerful tools, but their strength is language generated text, summarizing, drafting. Agentforce takes a step forward. Instead of just giving you the answer, an AI agent can actually take an action inside Salesforce. Resolve a cause, update a record, trigger a workflow. That's the difference. GenAI creates output and Agentforce drives outcome. For leaders, this shift has a real operational implications. In Service Cloud, an agent can instantly resolve the routine customer request. In Sales Cloud, it can qualify lead or update the opportunity. In Marketing Cloud, it can personalize engagement at scale. It is digital teammate embedded into the CRM, built to act. So what does Agentforce readiness mean for you? Let's start with data. Perfect data isn't required to start, but strong foundation matters. Readiness here is a journey. Start with the key data sets and scale outward. If your data is messy, it can be engineered and the data foundation can be prepared. Now, a common question we hear, if you really or if you already use Salesforce Service Cloud, do you need a data cloud? The answer is not always. Agentforce can work with Service Cloud data directly, but the data cloud becomes critical when you want to unify data from different data sources, which are other than Salesforce, like ERP and marketing and other software. What about data compliance? In highly regulated industries like finance or pharma healthcare, some interpret it as a constraint and think we cannot adopt AI agents. The answer is you adopt, but with governance. AI agents can prepare workflows, flag risk, and ensure audit trails, while humans retain final decision making. That's not a limitation, it's a safeguard that makes an Agentforce even more powerful. Next is the scalability and change. The smartest approach is to start small with few high impact case studies, but build with scale in mind. That means governance, flexible architecture, and roadmap for your AI agents for the next 2 to 3 years. And don't forget, technology only succeeds when people trust it. Change management and role-based training are not optional, but they are mandatory to make this AI project successful. At Cymetrix, we see Agentforce readiness not as a checklist. It is an integrated capability like operations, data, compliance, and people working in the sync. Our unique advantage is having AI, data, analytics, and Salesforce expertise under one roof. So we don't just implement Agentforce, we help you to build foundation for new operational model, because Agentforce isn't just Salesforce upgrade. It is how the next era of work will run.